I'm Professor Vandana Bhama into the finance and accounting area. I'm currently working as an associate professor and currently the program chair PGDM Financial Management Program. The PGDM Financial Management Program is a specialized program designed for those students who aspire to be into the core finance, banking, consulting, insurance, all these roles. The program is highly industry oriented. The reason is that it has been reviewed by the top industry experts, the top consulting firms. It has been reviewed by the top professors from the IIMs. So after the consultation of the experts, so we have reviewed the curriculum every year, and because of that, it has become more practically oriented. In this program, we have made the courses in such a way that over a period of time, there is a progression into the financial learning. So specifically in the term 2 and term 3, we have some of the courses which are only offered in the FM program but not in the other program, so that the learning curve for the student is more bent towards the finance career progression. So if we look at specifically term 3, we have courses which are highly demanded by the industry. For instance, we have security analysis, portfolio management, we have bank management, we have equity valuation, so that when the student completes term 3, they are ready for their summer internship and they will not face any challenges that they don't know how to do the evaluations and how to do the evaluation of a portfolio. So this is the one aspect we look into. By the time when they entered into the term in the year 2, the term 4, the students choose their electives, and the very differentiating factor of the FM program is that we offer 2 specialization here within this program. So which means the students who are highly aspired to do financial aspects, who are really interested to go into the depth of the finance program, they can choose both the specialization or they can create a combination of finance with marketing or finance with operations. So this is the flexibility we give to the students, and based on their choice, based on their career growth, they can create any combination of their choice, which is again highly oriented. The another interesting angle of our curriculum is that it is more AI oriented, because these days AI is very much required by the industry. So we have tried to integrate AI, analytics, or the fintech, all such good things into our courses, so that by the end the student completes this program, they have a good learning which is highly demanded by the industry recruiters. So apart from that, we focus more on the certifications. For example, we recently tied up with the NISM, which is a good initiative taken by the institute. So students complete a few certifications which are mandatory in the FM program and which is highly demanded by the industry. And the another benefit of becoming a partner of this NISM is that student can complete another e-learning programs by availing some discounts on their courses. So this is the initiative, the benefit which we are providing to the students here. The another initiative taken by the institute is we have a Bloomberg lab here. The Bloomberg lab is going to help a lot because they offer different certifications specifically into the finance domain, and if the student is going to do that from outside the institute, so the cost is really high. But if you will do it here, so there is no cost for the student, and we have already integrated that in our curriculum that the students have to complete Bloomberg. So completing these micro certifications are going to help a lot to the students in terms of driving good opportunities. So this is where the differentiating factor comes. When the students complete all these certifications in a year 1, they are ready for SIP, they are ready for the placement, and at the end they are going to grab a good placement opportunity. And the last thing is that we have international immersion program where the students are going to have a global exposure, and once they go there, they are going to learn a lot that what is happening in the global context, what is happening in the global market. So if I conclude everything here, talking about the certifications, talking about the immersion program, talking about the highly industry oriented curriculum. When we compile all these things, students are definitely going to have a benefit because they will learn a lot and they will have a good placement from a good company, the reputed company which comes every year. Thank you.